Okay, this word right here is straight up gross. But today I'm going to challenge myself to turn it into something you'd want to frame. Calligraphy could transfer anything, even this. I will say there are certain words that people just hate looking at. Scab is always at the top of that list. If it's not at the top, it's right up there. The letters are weird, the vibe is weird, and I think, how can I design the word to change that and how we feel about a word? That's what today is about. And if you're new here, my name is Joseph Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And with that, let's get into the word that we discussed that I'm going to write is the word scab. So I'm going to write it in one of the most powerful styles ever created, Gothic fracture. Fracture is sharp, structured, and emotional. It's traditionally used to write sacred text and royal documents. So what happens when you use it to write something cursed? And fracture was used for royalty. Now for scab. Starting with the letter S.
Okay, let's get that in there. And let's get a minute since we have.
Oh, look at that. Woo! This pen almost sounds like it's carving wood into stone. Figure let's switch it up a bit. See how much more beautiful we can make this ugly word look in fracture. Okay, so here's the ugliest word in the dictionary and what it looks like written in royal script. I like this one up here a lot better. It's giving cursed, but classy. Drop your most hated word in the comments. You know what? The grosser, the better. I'll write it next. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I appreciate it. I hope that you have a great day, night, evening, wherever you are in the world. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love, everybody. Also, make sure check out all my links in the comments below, and also check out my brush pens that I have for sale as well on Gumroad.